Hello and welcome to the channel. This is a short video to show you how to change all the interior lights on your Z4 for LEDs, because of course these cars look fantastic in the daytime, but we can also improve their look at night time as well. So first we start with the main interior lights. You can remove the unit just simply using a plastic trim tool. Once you have the unit off, you can simply twist the bulb holders out, remove the old bulb and put the new LED one in. In this case I'm using the Osram LEDs. For every fitting from here, I'll suggest using an LED more like this one, because the light comes out sideways and provides a much better light pattern. Next to the footwells, and using the trim tool, you can just simply pop the fitting off, unplug the holder, remove the black cover by prying Z off one side, jamming your thumb in, and then prying off the other side. Taking the old bulb out, replacing it with an LED, cover back on, plug it back in, and push it back up underneath. The boot follows the exact same process as the footwell. You can also do this in the storage compartment between the two seats, but I didn't film that because all you'd see is the back of my hands. Now onto the number plate lights, and this was the reason why I decided to do the LED upgrade. So using the trim tool again, you can just pry out the old holder. This particular one was broken. Twist off the connector. You can find complete LED units that just plug straight in, and they cost about £10 for a pair. Testing the lamp, you can see just how much brighter it is than the dull orange glow from the previous light fitting. The last lights I replaced were the side lights, and for that you need to turn the wheel in, use a trim tool just to open up this little access panel. There is a metal clamp spring that is holding the back of the light unit on. I found by using a screwdriver from the top and my hand I was able to pry that off. Then you reach in and you can just pull the side bulb straight out. In the UK these can't be LEDs unless they're factory fitted, so I went for some Osram Xenon Blue 501 bulbs. They give you a nice cool white look. Feeding them back in can be a bit tricky, but once they've popped back in, you can just put the back of the light fitting back on, push the spring up and fasten the access panel again. So there we have it. For about £20 I was able to purchase all the bulbs I needed, and it took me about half an hour to fit them all. I prefer the whiteness of the LED, and they give much more light into the cabin. The replacement number plate fittings have made a real difference to the back of the car at night time. Of course this can be applied to most cars, and there are loads of different LED colours out there, although this may look like the car should be on the set of Fast and Furious. Thanks for watching.